Hello students, good morning. Standard 8 सब्जेक्ट हनी ड्यू। आज हम करेंगे मैकेविटी द मैजेस्ट्री कैट पोएम एक्सप्लेनेशन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे। पहले इसकी एक्सरसाइज और ग्रोसरी देख लेते हैं। जो आपको ये ग्रोसरी दी है वो आपको हनी ड्यू की नोटबुक में 3 टाइम्स लिखनी है। नाउ वर्किंग विद द पोएम, फर्स्ट रीड द फर्स्ट स्टैंजास एंड थिंक इज मैकेविटी अ कैट रियली। मैकेविटी मतलब होता है गंदगी। क्या होता है? गंदगी। जो इस पोएम में हम सीखेंगे कैट ने कैसे क्या किया वो। नो, मैकेविटी इज नॉट अ कैट रियली। सेकंड, इफ नॉट हु कैन मैकेविटी बी? मैकेविटी इज जस्ट अ fictional characters created by the poet whose actions resemble those of crocs. टेक्स्ट बुक की एक्सरसाइज कंपलसरी नोटबुक में करनी है। Listen to complete the following sentences. A master criminal is one who. A master criminal is one who can defeat the law. The Scotland Yard is befuddled because whenever they reach the scene of crime, they cannot find Macavity. Third, nobody can catch Macavity at the scene of crime because Macavity moves much faster than them. Question 3. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the command above? Answer. In the light of the above command, Macavity is breaking the law of gravity. Read stanzas 3 and then describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Macavity is a ginger cat who is very tall and thin, with sunken eyes and brow deeply lined with thought. While its head is highly domed, its coat is dusty and whiskers are uncombered. It sweats its head from side to side and it is always wide awake even when one thinks that it is half asleep. Next, say false or true for each of the following statements. Macavity is not an ordinary cat. It's true. Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. False. Macavity has supernatural powers. True. Macavity is well dressed, smart, and bright. False. Macavity is a spy, a trickster, and a criminal all roll in one. True. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Macavity a field and the monster? Yes, it seems like the poet is fond of cats. He called Macavity a flame and a monster because he might have wanted a poetry and evil side. He might have used a cat in order to create a negative character who is a criminal and escapes easily from police. The quick movements of a cat and its majesterial eyes might have influenced him to create these evil characters in the form of a cat. Has the poet used exaggerations for special effect? Find a few examples of it and read those lines aloud. Yes, the poet has used exaggerations such as the cat's defense of gravity and it being called a monster of the depravity and a field in order to enhance the majesty surrounding the cat. Since the cat is so to be super fast as nobody from the Scotland Yard to the flying squad can catch it on the skin of crime. These exaggerations have been used by elite to lay straight on these monsters as well as superprising and majestic nature of Macavity. ये एग्जाम्पल भी नीचे ही लिखने हैं. ओके, टेक्स्ट बुक का कंप्लीट हो गया. दूसरा वीडियो होगा उसमें वर्कबुक का कराऊंगी.